Alrighty, so today we're going to be 3D printing a Christmas star. This star is going to be 3D printed in 2 pieces. Each piece is really thin, so it's going to be really cool to see how this print turns out. So let's get started. Alrighty, the parts have finished and look at them. Ah, beautiful, beautiful job with the prints. And you can see here's one. I've already cleaned up this particular star here. You can see how it's see-through. I printed this star in clear plastic. I needed to make sure that light will shine through it because we're gonna be putting some awesome lighting inside of this star. So here's one side. This side's the unclean one. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this star. Alrighty, so I got the whole thing cleaned up here. Alright, so this piece snapped together like this. I don't want to put it together yet because I'm afraid once I put it together, I won't be able to get it back off. And it's originally designed to have multiple stars. I decided to only do just one star. This star is originally used to have an LED strip inside of here. I don't have an LED strip, so I decided to actually go with some LEDs that I had laying around. And what's so cool about these LEDs is I can color code them to red and green. I also have 220 ohm resistors. 4 of those and 4 LEDs that I'm gonna put around in a circle and wire them all up so that I can run power to them from the back. So with that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the lighting now. Alrighty, so I went ahead and got all the wiring done, and essentially the wiring is pretty easy. It's got a resistor for the negative side of all the LEDs, and the negative is connected to 1 wire, and all the rest connect to the positive sides, and we should have 4 wires to the positive side. This is how I'm gonna wire mine. I'm gonna go ahead and mount our LEDs. Ta-da! Wiring is complete. Now, all we gotta do is first test the lights to make sure that they work, and then put the end on. All the LEDs light up. That's a good sign. So to put these 2 pieces together, it's pretty simple. We just take this piece and very slowly pop it in like that. Give it a twist. Boom. Our star is put together just like that, and all of that stuff is now hidden to the back of the star. How beautiful and cool is that? Let's hook an Arduino to it. Are you ready for some light? What? Our Christmas star is lit. Oh man, it's so cool. And the way I've wired this, I've actually am now able to shut individual LEDs off and on. But let's not stop here because I have a brilliant idea. What? A few minutes of coding and boom, star now blinks. Thanks for watching, and if you have something else you want to see printed, definitely request it down below, and we will see you next week.